So, today was a road trip to buy my car, and I wanted to come back and see some friends in Montego Bay. So here we are. It was quite a road trip. We had to take 2 buses, and this is my car that I bought, which I'm very pleased with. Has a few little issues, but you know, for the age, it's not bad. So 2 bus trips, 100 miles, hot, and we were squeezed into the seat. My friend at the back of the bus, me at the front of the bus. I'm back at the tire shop. This is Marshall and Sons. Meet my friend One Foot. You know him from Ringo. He was Ringo's adopter. Yeah, Ringo's father. He made sure he got fed and watered. But you know, crabs, how they go. Cheers. And here we got the locals hanging out, having a drink. Javu, he gets me everywhere I go, and my sidekick.
The street side fridge.
Yeah, there's the street side fridge. So back in Mo Bay, enjoying the day, celebrating. And I'm pleased with my purchase. I was a good negotiator. It's in really good shape for its age. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but I'm so tired of not being able to get around in Jamaica without renting a car or depending on other people. Now when I want to go to the grocery store, I don't have to worry about buying ice cream. I can buy ice cream if I want it, and I can head back home. So I'm very excited about my EK, 1999 Honda EK. Clean, the engine's sweet. Babe, pop the hood. I mean the bonnet. I forgot where I am. Because this ain't America, this is Jamaica. You don't say hood, you say bonnet. They don't believe in the hood. You know, Jamaica's very, when it comes to the vocabulary, they catch a lot of attitude. Make sure that you're using the proper words because everything has a different meaning here. So here's my engine. This is a VTEC Honda. Maybe I'll put a little bigger manifold in there if I have any problems, but she's clean.
It's chopped up.
Everything very clean. Like I said, the owner didn't really know what they had. They were a young guy, and I gave him a fair price. But when I bought it, I had to put every liquid you can know. I had to put oil.
Water.
I had to put power steering fluid in it.
Brake fluid.
I had to put brake fluid in it. I had to check the water, but that was fine. And I put water in the windshield wiper, but it poured right out. The most depressing thing was the gentleman told me that the air conditioner worked, which it does only under certain circumstances. So that's kind of a bummer, but I'm going to fix that.
Yes.
And then the radio's not working, and that's a big problem for me. Anyways, here I am, American woman in Jamaica, trying to get by as a local. Amen and amen.